Hey, welcome back to the channel, gang. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We got a busy day today. We're gonna go pick up some logs right now. Last week, my friend and I, last Friday, helped another friend clear a lot. He's building a barn, and he's got had a couple big white pines we took down for him, and he wants them milled up. So I'm running down to his place right now to pick him up. My friend's going down there as well. The excavator's down there right now. We're gonna load them up. He's got a hole to dig to bury some stumps, and I'm going to get those loaded up and haul them back here, and we're gonna get working on, probably not those, we got some more things to do today, but I gotta start working on those pretty shortly for him. Oh, we got a log can if we need one. Here's the pipe. Oh yeah! That one's it. That's better. Pretty big load. It's going to be difficult to get off. Usually these are turned up 90 degrees and they tipped over when we were loading it, and we couldn't. I didn't want to unload it and flip them up, so I'm going to have to be careful not to damage my fenders too bad. 14 feet long, just a couple inches longer than 14, 16 inches, 14 inches. We have a swoop on it. I'm just gonna leave it right here. My goal is this portion is gonna be where the cant is, and whatever I get out of here will be fine. So hopefully I'll be able to get myself a good pile of 2x4s. I need more 2x4s. Why? Because my pile is only about that high. I like having a lot of 2x4s on hand. Plus, these have been sitting since last fall. It's warming up, and I don't want these boards to get attacked by beetles. So I want to get, this is the last of this group of pine that I got last fall. What was I doing? Yeah. I was messing up. I was doing the logs, I was splitting wood, stuff like that. See, I put that big log on there and it fell off. Good morning, crew, or good afternoon. Is it time for your nap?
Yeah, they watched all the way from the house.
That is big wood, isn't it?
I saw what you did. He was watching. Did you see the log fall off? Yeah.
It's safe up there now. Just don't climb on it.
What do you tell Bubba? For fixing it, what do you say? Good job.
Good job. Thank you.
What's this?
That's all that sawdust. Remember, it's like sand.
I want to get my poop in the potty.
You want sawdust?
No, yeah, I want to poop in the potty.
Oh!
Oh, if you poop in the potty, you'll maybe get some sawdust?
Does it feel soft? I think he feels like it's sand. Does it feel like sand?
Yeah.
You can touch it. It's okay.
I'm gonna get 3 cants out of it, so I gotta drop down about an inch. Nice. That'll do it, guys. We started off this morning. What did we do? We picked up some logs, so we have, I'll show you those logs. Let's take a look over here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We got these 9 white pine logs. This one's pretty rotted, and it has, this was the top piece of that, and it has some crack in it. When it came down, we had a, once we cut into it, we knew something funky was wrong with it because we saw this dirt coming out when I was cutting it. But we got those loaded up on the trailer. You saw that. Got another basket split up today. I have one more basket I own. That's I think I own 11 or 12. I got one more right there. So yeah, I got one more to fill up. Then I'll start going back to the pallets like I did last year. You may have seen it. I make those sides on the pallets. But we ended up getting 21 2x4s. Let's take a look at them. They look really nice. Again, that stellite blade is cutting fantastic. Straight. You know, a lot of times pine is difficult. You'll go through the knots and you get some waves. There's not a lot of knots in it, but they're pretty straight. In fact, they're very straight. Not any tension into that log. I do have 3 or 4 with waning on them, but I still have 6 feet of good 2x4 on this one. And then the other ones, 2 that have waning on them, I probably have 10 feet of good 2x4. So we got 21 2x4s out of that. We'll join that pile that you saw last week, and we'll get them stacked up. I think I'm going to stack those up in my wood room somewhere. They're dry. Not the ones we just cut, obviously, but I have that little stack. You probably can't see them right behind back there, but they're dry. But guys, that's enough today. I think it's probably close to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. My wife's got both the grandkids inside. You probably saw them on the video here if I put them in. Raylan's being funny today. And that'll do it. We'll see you out here next time, guys. Take care. Have a great day.